This is for those parents who have been wondering how much is actually enough generational wealth, or how much can I be able to leave my kids? And I feel like this is quite comfortable for them. And one of the things that I would advise is actually leaving them an equivalent of the expenses or the income that you actually earn. So assuming, for example, you earn like maybe 100,000 Kenya shillings. So that means you make like 100,000 Kenya shillings per month. So you ought to leave your next of kin, or the people who depend on you, actively their 100,000. And it's actually easy because you need maybe to assume that if maybe I was to leave them this amount of money, they need to have an equivalent investment that can give them this amount of money. And this is where we have the 10 times rule of thumb that we use when it comes to how much you should be having as your life cover, if that is the way that you're going through. So for example, if maybe you're earning 100,000, we are going to multiply that with 12 months. That makes it 1.2 million per year. And for the 10 times, that means we multiply that by 10, and means that we have 12 million Kenya shillings. So the 12 million Kenya shillings is the amount of money you ought to have worth of the life cover, or worth of the amount of money that you leave your generation. The assumption is once they receive the 12 million, they're going to take that money into an investment, giving them at least 10%. Can be 12, can be more than that. But assuming maybe even 10%, a money market fund, or maybe even a bond that is giving them that. So meaning if they're getting 10%, means that they will be getting passive income for the rest of their life, their 100,000 Kenya shillings. So guys, it's actually as easy as that. And for you to get maybe this life cover of 12 million, you actually need less than 20,000 Kenya shillings per month to get that whole life insurance. And in case this is something that you would want maybe to explore, or something that you would want to incorporate in your financial freedom journey, make sure to book your free discovery call today.